Now that we have learned how to work with the software, it is also important to know where to find more information and how to proceed if you face any problem or unanswered question. You can access the program's documentation directly from Revit, like with any other Revit function. Leave the mouse cursor over the commands icon to display the quick info with a summary of the function. Then press on the F1 key to open the full documentation page online. You can also access the documentation via the Help menu of SOFiSTiK Analysis and Design, which will lead you to the entire document. Should the documentation and available training material not be sufficient, or if you encounter a problem or a bug, or even if you have a development request, you may also contact our support team. In the Help menu, you will find a support assistant, which will help you to submit your request. Simply follow the steps indicated by the assistant and send your request by email. The support team will then get in touch with you via email or telephone or online screen sharing. It is important to be very specific about your problem or question and to detail all the steps you have made. Please add additional documents, images or screenshots to make your request as comprehensive as possible. Do not forget, our supporters are engineers like you. They can do miracles, but need information to work efficiently.